Hey everybody, it's Jason Munoz again here from the Munoz Home Group in Western Washington. Are you wondering how long it's going to take to sell your home this year? According to some national stats, the average home is going to take about 32 days on the market to sell. However, this number is just an average. In reality, some homes sell almost instantly, while others are stagnating on the market for months. Why is this? Now, in my opinion, it comes down to three key factors: condition, accessibility, and definitely pricing. Today, I'll break down all of these factors and explain how you can leverage them to sell your home faster. Key point number one, condition. You can't control your location, but you can upgrade your home's condition before you hit the market. Be sure to take care of any minor repairs up front and early. It might even be a good idea to have your agent walk through your home and point out anything that might worry some buyers. Small things around the home might not seem like a big deal to you, but they could leave a poor impression on new buyers. Additionally, buyers don't have a ton of spare cash due to higher prices and interest rates. So if they don't have to pay for a ton of repairs themselves, they're more likely to put in an offer a lot faster. Key point number two, accessibility. Now, buyers cannot put an offer on a home that they can't see or get into. Making your home as accessible to buyers as possible is going to increase your showings and make sure that the home potentially sells faster. Now, for some, it's not always possible to leave your house on short notice. So consider maybe going to the park or camping for the weekend, or making sure that your agent negotiates enough time for you to get out so that showings can happen. Last point, and number three, price. Your go-to-market price is more than just a number. It's the first part of an excellent marketing strategy. Work with your agent to find similar homes in the area that have sold recently, probably no more than 90 days ago, to find a good starting point. After that, choose a reasonable initial price to go to market with to draw attention and competition, and maybe even you get lucky and get a bidding war. This will help your house sell quickly and naturally increase the price to wherever the market is at right now. Hopefully, these tips will help you sell your home faster. In the meantime, don't ever hesitate to call me for a free home selling consultation. I'll go over the details of the home with you and share with you what I know you could do to move the home fast. I look forward to hearing from you. Once again, this is Jason Munoz from the Munoz Home Group here in Western Washington. I'll see you on the next video.